the street breed.
Living man trapped in a basket, linen cloth woven from mistakes. Every bad choice, another loop it makes. Words wrapped tight around his head. You'll never be left him for dead. Habits chain around his chest, suffocating, can't find rest. 4 days deep in the project dark. Neighborhood says he used to have a spark. Stone, calling every Lazarus from the unknown. Head to toe, bound by the weight. Family love can still change your fate. One family, one king on the throne. Listen to the command, you're not alone. Come forth, step out of the light. Line and binds you, but you weren't born to die. Stumbled to light, still wrapped in bandages, a ghostly sight. Couldn't move his arms, couldn't take a pace. Shame of the ghetto on his face. Father said that's not your job alone. Lose him, let him go, he's coming home. Cousins gathered, family came near, peeling back the layers year by year. Unwound the guilt, unwound the shame. Hell is shaking hands through the pain. Street, unwrapping cloth from head to feet. No matter the tangle, no matter the stain, family carries you